Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my video. Kali ini saya tidak sendiri, saya bersama rekan saya yakni Aisyah. Di sini kami akan memberikan materi tentang English for Specific Purpose and Reading. Oke, the first, saya akan menjelaskan tentang reading accomplishes what might be called a course place in English for a specific purpose. In any self-assessment or questionnaire-based survey, students almost always cite reading as the skill causing them the least difficulty. Dalam penilaian diri atau survei berbasis questionnaire, siswa hampir selalu mengutip membaca sebagai keterampilan yang menyebabkan mereka kesulitan. So, therefore teachers need to design good learning so that they are able to foster a habit of reading as fine and they feel they are not in trouble. Jadi, oleh karena itu, guru perlu merancang pembelajaran yang baik sehingga mampu menimbulkan kebiasaan membaca sebagai suatu yang menyenangkan dan mereka akan tidak merasa kesulitan. Okay, the next, from register analysis to discord. The analysis had been of the survey form of the language in the form of register analysis, that is, the study at the sentence level of the use of language of different communicate life setting, such as the language used by nurse, airplanes, mechanic, and bank teller. In this stage, the teaching of reading required minimal attention. Jadi, analisis telah sampai ke permukaannya. Bentuk bahasa dalam bentuk register analisis yaitu studi di tingkat kalimat penggunaan bahasa dalam komunikatif yang berbeda. Pengaturan ini seperti bahasa yang digunakan oleh perawat, mekanik pesawat, dan bank teller. Dalam tahap ini, pengajaran membaca mendapat sedikit perhatian. And then, register analysis can be used by determining authenticity of language in relation to lexical and grammatical feature. Discourse analysis can be used to help determine the authenticity of the message or on edge of communication involving a sender, relevant and situation context in which a message. Jadi, analisis register dapat digunakan untuk menentukan keaslian bahasa dalam kaitan dengan fitur leksikal dan gramatikal. Wacana dapat membantu menentukan keaslian pesan sebagai tindakan komunikasi. Okay, the next, in development in English for a specific purpose, capture this change situation in their observation that reading was increasingly being that from the perspective of text as providing information rather than their pure. Jadi, dalam perkembangan dalam bahasa Inggris untuk tujuan khusus, tangkapan ini mengubah situasi di mana mereka pengamatan membaca itu semakin banyak diajarkan dari perspektif teks sebagai penyediaan informasi daripada murni mereka. Dan selanjutnya ada genre analysis. English in academic and research setting, a genre comprises a class of communicative events, the member of which share some set of communicative purpose. The purpose are recognized by expert member of the parent discourse community and thereby constitute the relation for the genre. The rationale shape the semantic structure of the discourse and includes and constraint choice of content and style. Jadi, di analisis genre ini, bahasa Inggris dalam pengaturan akademik dan penelitian genre terdiri dari kelas acara komunikatif, anggota yang berbeda beberapa set komunikatif dan tujuan diakui oleh anggota ahli dari komunitas wacana induk dan oleh karenanya alasan untuk genre tersebut. Alasan inilah yang membantu struktur, skematik, wacana dan mengetahui serta membatasi pilihan konten dan gaya.
Reading as a stand-alone skill. First, textbook. First, exposure to writing in their target discourse community. Swallows, 1995. Studies of textbook discourse have so far been largely restricted to introductory textbooks is standard undergraduate field. Especially noteworthy in this regard are two studies by Love 1991 until 1993. Textbooks in their field are geology, ESP. Students may be stymied by discipline-specific texts because there are already existing schema for reading are not a priority for comprehending specialized text. Students strive to create a cognitive model for this discipline. Introductory textbook will exhibit both a schematic structure and a set of lexicogrammatical patterns which reflect and to certain extent construct the epistemology of the discipline. Mears 1992. Limitation of textbooks. Comparative analysis of textbook and journal articles. Textbook will not show student pronoun or hedges might be used in their writing. Textbook will not show how reference or illustration are used rhetorically because textbook use them pedagogically. Helen 1994 until 1999. 1. Compare textbook to articles in the use of hedges and use of meta-discourse. 2. 21. Introductory textbook in 3 disciplines. 3. This difference mean that textbooks provide limited rhetorical guidance to students seeking information from research, search, or learning appropriate forms of argument. Learning a discipline through the linguistic forms of textbook does not introduce students to the full range of conversations within which the socio-cultural system of the discipline is included. Vocabulary. Williams 1985. A typical 2 or 3 hour a week ESP course would not have the time or space necessary to teach all of the specialized vocabulary students would need to learn. 5. Vocabulary learning strategies suitable for ESP. 1. Inferring from context. 2. Identifying lexical familiarization. 3. Uncahing nominal compounds. 4. Synonym search. And 5. Word analysis. Reading in integrate skills context, genre-based approach. Helen 24 has observed that today, genre is one of the most important and influential concepts in language education. In much genre-based work in ESP, students as readers are repeatedly exposed to text simplifying the genres. They must learn to understand and reproduce as they seek to gain membership in their transdisciplinary communities. Portfolios for edition 1995. Ethnographers of their disciplines discuss what they have learned in the reading of different interests of text in their transdisciplinary community. Jones 1995 until 1997 Reading portfolio result of their disciplinary reading. Writing portfolio sums of their young disciplinary writing. Hervela 1997 Disciplinary portfolio pedagogy, detailed analysis of what they have learned through their disciplinary reading, sensitizing them to the demands and tendencies of the genres.
Oke, I think enough. Itu yang bisa kami sampaikan. Semoga bisa dimengerti. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.